fraud alerts, especially 1 year. Don't worry if you get one added on, it's no big deal. You can actually just leave it there until you get done with your process, till you get done with all your credit repair that you want to do, right? We got to get rid of those roadblocks, those negative items that are holding your score hostage, because that's what they do. It's like, all these negative items, and here's your score, right? All your positive items, and it's weighing on top of it, and they can't go up because you got all these roadblocks preventing them, all those negative items. And as you start to remove them, they start to go up, and your score starts to go up because your positive items are starting to really show what they're worth. And then when you get to a point where all the negatives are gone, then your positive will show what it is, and then you can start adding more positives to help get it higher. And this will help you by utilizing the 30, 35, 15, 10, 10 rule, right? And that's the code.